Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Jake.
What's your favorite color?
Turquoise.
Uh, who is Melanie and Cake to you?
Sisters? Actual sisters?
Yeah. Who am I?
My mom.
Who's your dad?
Lily Swain.
What do the girls call daddy?
Uncle.
What do the girls call me?
Auntie.
Why?
Because they're not my real sisters. They're my cousins.
And who's Asher?
My brother.
Who's your favorite sibling?
I'm sorry, no, but cakes.
Uh,
Sorry.
who's your favorite parent?
Yeah. Wait, can I interview? Hey, what's your name?
What's your name? Asher. What's your name?
Anne Marie Ann Cake.
Where are you from?
The Marshall Island.
What do you call me?
Auntie Chelsea.
Why?
'Cause you're my aunt.
How long have you lived with me?
6 years.
Do you like living with me?
Yes.
What do you call the other guy?
The other guy.
Yeah. What
um,
do you call my husband?
Uncle.
Why?
'Cause he's my mom's brother.
So he's like your dunkle?
Yeah. Dunkle and
Your
Munty. Nickname, guys. Dunkle and Munties.
who's Melanie to you?
Sister.
And Asher and Jake?
Cousin but brothers.
Who's your favorite sibling?
Jake and Asher.
Who's your favorite parent?
Both, but
Both for different reasons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It depends on the day. Per month.
What's your favorite sport?
Volleyball.
What's your position?
Libero.
What's your favorite number?
10 or 25.
What's your name?
Melanie,
Where are you from?
the Marshall Island, or Utah.
How long have you lived with me?
A year.
What do you call me?
Auntie,
Why?
because you're my aunt.
What do you call my husband?
Uncle,
Why?
because he's my mom's older brother and he's my
Younger
uncle.
brother.
Younger brother. I knew that, guys.
Who's your favorite sibling?
Follow.
That's a dog, not a sibling.
Just kidding. All of them are my favorite. I don't put one of them above the other.
Who's your favorite parent?
I love both of them equally. I can't choose. It really depends. But I love Uncle, I swear.
Do you play any sports?
Yeah.
What?
Volleyball. I'm starting to learn how to play it.
What position are you playing?
Lib.
What's your favorite number?
My favorite number is 13.
What's your favorite color?
I like green and blue.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I want to go to Greece or I want to go to New Zealand and the Bahamas. Bucket list. Dear Santa. I want to go on a cruise.
What's your name?
Chelsea. Auntie. Mommy. Bruh.
What do you call me and Melanie?
Melanie and Cake.
What do you prefer as if anybody asks you who are those kids over there?
My daughters.
What's your son's name?
Asher and Jake.
What do you call the other guy?
Han. Willie. Willie A.
Out of all the boys, who's your favorite?
Out of all the boys in this house? Yeah. Asher.
Out of the girls, who's your favorite?
Grandma.
Down here. Lola doesn't count. Anyways, how long did you serve your mission for?
18 months.
Where did you go for your mission?
The Marshall Islands. That's why I speak Marshallese. Not going to Mayo. Not going to again.
Yeah. But I understand what she said. What do you love about Uncle?
I love how kind he is. He's always thinking about other people before himself. Sometimes.
What is one thing you don't like about Uncle?
Sometimes it's all about him.
Okay, I'm done.
but he tries.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a production manager for a TV network.
Oh, I never knew that. Am I going to be in one of the shows?
You've already been in one of the shows.
Oh, I didn't know that. What show was it?
Come follow it.
What episode?
It was the Christmas episode of last year.
Go watch it.
4. I have a
4 years of
bachelor's
college?
degree.
What are the, like, what did you, like, major did you study? Like, in college?
Business administration.
If you could give yourself a younger self advice, what would it be? Or if you tell your younger self, what would it be?
Travel more.
Mm.
Enjoy being on your own as much as you can. So once you have other responsibilities, you're locked to them. But I wish I had enjoyed my single life more.
Out of all the sports, what do you love playing most?
Volleyball, probably. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Willie.
Who are you to me?
Huh?
Who are you to me?
You my beautiful wife.
And who are the girls to you?
This is my niece Cake, and this is my another niece Melanie. They are like my daughter. They're my niece.
So are they biologically yours?
Yeah. They're like they are. What do you mean biology? What that mean?
Like Putugtug.
Oh yeah, they are.
Well,
They are product to me. You know,
their mom is his older sister.
their mom is older sister.
Who are the boys?
Oh, they are my son,
What are their names?
Asher and Shake. Shake is after my uncle, my mom brother.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Marshall Island. This is really good.
Do you want to ask me any question?
You, Etam?
Chelsea. My name is Chelsea.
Where are you?
I was born in Canada.
Kayin mayo.
Yeah, Lotagilo, Canada.
You are Canada.
British Columbia.
Are you karagan na yung mga nga?
Karaipa.
Kwalok nga ya.
No, you dying.
Are tayo magpugot nga?
Yeah, pugut kwek, kwad pugut.